everybody, this is Better the Monster, and today I am going to review some movies and questions and some shit. Now, here we go. Crazy monster. Lazy monster. Dum Dum monster. Better the Monster. Directed by CJ Guy. Oh, hello, this is Red the Monster, and today I'm sorry I am not making video long time ago, and today we are playing Xbox. This is why I am not making video last long time ago, because I am so lazy and I am so busybody. So we are going to play a game called Sleeping Dog. If you are a kid, don't play this game, because this game is amateur, which means 18 years old. Okay, now let's play, I think. But first, play toy. Yeah. Alright, let's start the game. Can you guys see me? Okay, now let's start the game. Wait. Alright, hard drive, and then it's automatically save. So this is a new game of last 2 years. So now it became a very, very old game. So if you're a kid, don't play this game. It's 18, under 17. So okay, alright, let's go. Alright, let's go. And I have a gun, and let's shoot some people or anything else. Alright, let's go, and let's get some shoot people. I'm afraid they have police in there. Oh, the police. Can I shoot him? Hey, I got a gun. He don't want to see my gun. So sad. Well, I think I must go somewhere else. Hey, ladies. I want to buy. Hey, why are you scared? Why are you scared? Excuse me. What? What? I'm not hurting you. Ah, never mind. I just go walk around and do something. Oh, what is this dude? Oh my god! I'm sorry! I'm sorry! Oh no! The police! Oh no! I'm sorry! Oh my god! I'm sorry! It was an accident. Oh no! I must cover. Oh no! It's all my fault. Oh no! Sorry, I kill you. Oh no! Oh no! It was an accident. Sorry. Please don't take me to jail. Sorry. It was an accident. Oh no! Oh no! I am so dead. Oh shit! Take the pistol! Take the pistol! Oh no! I'm dead. Let's go out. You never catch me, thief. Oh no! I think I must go. You never catch me, you stupid people. Let's go to the boat. Let's go to the boat. Ugh. Oh no, I'm so dead. I'm so really dead. Oh no, I am so dead. I am dead. I think he will stop me after this. Never catch me, thief. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no, this is not good. I need to find a jumping place. Is this work? Oh shit. No! No! I mean not. I'm sorry. I am so sorry, sir. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh shit. Are you kidding me? Oh no, I'm so sorry. But first, I must take something. Okay, let's go. I am so very sorry, sir. It was an accident. Ouch! It's so horrible. Oh no, I am so very dead. Alright, let's ride this way. I think it's a good idea. Whoa! Whoa! What happened to my gun? Alright. Hey. Stay away. Get out of my car. Get out of my car. Get out of my car or I'll shoot you. I'll shoot you. Shut up. I'll kill you if you do that. Huh? Huh! Whoa! That guy inside people's butt. I mean car's butt. Shut up, Chinese guy. I don't like you. Whoa, this is like Fast and Furious sequel. Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh my god, I can do slow motion? Oh, wow! I wish I could do that. If I saw police. Wait, how to go down? Well, I hope no it works. Ah! You okay? Whoa. Hey, stop crying. Wait. Yeah, I think that girl is so scary. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Alright. Let's go down. Where do we go down? Yep, I think the thing way is to go down. Get away, please. Get away. Ouch. Hey, it's the wrong way. It's over here. Right? No, I don't want to fight. I want to shoot people. Woo! Hey, get away. Come on, shoot people. Who's next, huh? You? Oh my god, he's Superman. I think I must... What are you running, huh? Well, good thing I have a gun. Hey! Old fuck! Let's fight, yo. Come on. Wanna fight, huh? Come on, do this. Oh, fuck. Hey, don't be crying like a baby. Cause you are stupid. Wait. Who did that? Uh-oh, police. Police. Uh-oh. Not good. Why the police come here again? Don't be like a scared baby. Oh no. Oh no, oh no, no. Not good, not good. Not good, not good. Hey! I'm not arresting you, shit! You never take me alive! Okay? Oh my god, oh my god. I ran out of ammo! Ooh, shotgun! Oh my god, I am the master. Oh my god. Alright, I got this again. And let's escape. But where? Oh my god! Shit. Oh no, no, no. You never take me alive! Oh. Ugh. Oh! Are you kidding me? Go see again! Oh man. But thank God they don't jump, you know. Oh my god, how can I go out? Alright, I think I must run, guys. Woo! Okay. Stand back, or else I will kill your friend. Ah! I died. Why? Alright, so I think that's all today. So I think I'm going to see you guys in the next video. So I hope you enjoy my episode called Red the Monster episode. So gracias amigos, arigato, goodbye, bye, bye bye, selamat pagi, bye. What is it again? Oh, yes, yes. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Close the camera.